Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the outer CV boot on Peugeot 307. This is the CV boot right there that we're going to replace in. We can see that it's torn, so we're going to replace that. We're going to replace it without removing the CV joint with a special tool. First we're going to start by removing the wheel. Next we're going to remove the nut holding this CV joint, and also we're going to remove this nut holding the control arm to the ball joint, and then separate the control arm from the ball joint. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. We're going to use this tool to pull down the control arm. We are trying to hit the control arm a couple of times with the hammer, and it will separate. Next we're going to take out the CV joint from the wheel hub. Next we're going to remove the two metal clamps holding the CV boot, and also we're going to get cutting pliers and cut the CV boot and remove it. Now we're going to clean the grease on the CV axle, and next we're going to put on the new CV boot. This is the CV boot expansion tool that I'm going to use. For this tool I'm going to use a universal CV boot. I'm just going to put on the CV boot onto the expansion tool, expand it, and put it through the CV joint. Here you can see the CV boot is expanded, so I'm going to put it in through the CV joint and then release it, and that's how you put on the CV boot. And that's the CV boot on in its place. Next we're going to put grease onto the CV joint, and then we're going to put the CV boot onto the CV joint and put on the two clamps and tighten them. Now that the CV boot is installed and the two clamps are tightened, now we're going to put the CV axle back in its place on the wheel hub, and then we're going to put the control arm onto the ball joint, and then we're going to tighten the two nuts. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.